All right. Welcome back. In this problem, I have two congruent circles, each with a radius of 6. They're inside of a square. There are two other squares that are shaded in. Our job is to find the area of the shaded regions. All these points are points of tangency. If you'd like to try this on your own, pause the video because I'm going to solve this problem in just a couple of seconds. Okay, here we go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in some auxiliary lines to help explain what I'm doing here. Okay, the first line I dropped in was this diameter, perpendicular to the bottom. This is a radius. This is a radius. We're going to call this side of the square up here x. So from the bottom of the big square to the top of the big square, it is 2 radii and x. It's 2r plus x. Let's put some other lines in here. Okay, so I added a couple more lines here. I created a square in the middle. Okay, so if that's x, then this side of the square has to also be x. Okay, and in case you didn't know this, all three of these squares are going to be congruent to each other. Okay, I got one more line I'm going to put in here, and that's going to be to connect the two centers of the circles. Okay, so now what that's doing for me is that I know that this radius is 6, and that's 6. So now over here I have a right triangle with a hypotenuse of 12. These two sides are the same. So it's a 45, 45, 90. So if you know your 45, 45, 90 right triangles, then you know that this side here is going to be 6 root 2. And if you don't know your 45, 45, 90s, you could just solve this using the Pythagorean theorem. So now each side of this square is 6 root 2, so we're going to use the area of a square formula. So we're going to square 6 root 2, and the area is going to be 72 units squared. So the area of one of these blue squares is 72 units squared. We have two of them. So the area of the shaded region is going to be 144 units squared. I thought that was a really cool problem. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you on the next video.